Hey guys, this is Letitia with a video to show you how to care for your beauty supply hair or bundles that you get from the beauty supply using the Snatch Detox foaming powder. And here it is, and what I'm going to do is just pour it in the bowl, and there is an instant reaction that happens once the powder hits the water. As you see, it starts to foam. The pH of the water in the bowl is 7, which is neutral. So what's going to happen now, I am going to use a bundle that I was wearing in my hair for a while and clean it so I can reuse it again, get all the product out of it and everything. So as you see, the water is kind of murky, the foam is light and airy, and now I'm about to show you a picture with me wearing the bundle, and it was just a straight slick back ponytail. So now I'm about to clean the hair that you saw in the picture, and basically I'm going to just dunk it in the water several times to try to get out any product or, you know, just dirt, debris, whatever may have happened while I was wearing this hair. And you'll see the water change just a little bit, and also you'll see that I'm not trying to manipulate the hair too much because I want the waves to stay as they were when I first purchased the hair. Although it's gonna have a little bit of frizziness because I've been wearing it, and you know, with bundles, as you wear them and you know, they flop around or lay or however, they start to get a little bit of frizz on the ends and throughout the tress itself. So basically I'm just trying to clean, make sure I get all the debris and everything out. I had to remove the scrunchie that was in there because of the oils and things of my hair. The scrunchie went bad, but as you see how the wave pattern is still in place and it's looking good. Actually, it's feeling good, and I'm just trying to keep everything nice and tight like the bundle was when I first purchased it. Just squeezing out the excess water, checking the ends, making sure the curl patterns, the wave pattern still looks about the same. Trying not to manipulate it too much. So now I'm gonna rinse my hand real quick to just clean my hands off. And I'm going to drain the water. Once the water is drained, I'm going to put the same bundle back into clear water. So now I am about to rinse. Once I rinse the very top of it, of course I'm trying to gather the hair to, you know, try to keep the tress in order. I see one is hanging, so I'm gonna go in and pull that one back up to the top so everything will look even, as you know, like when you take it out the bundle. So basically, as you see, the water is very clear, and there's not any residual, if any, if is left on the tresses. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep the bundles together, keep the tress still in place like it was when I took it out the pack, not trying to manipulate it too much, making sure the waves are still in place and intact. Everything's looking good. It's not really frizzy, so I didn't manipulate it too much. And the ends are looking pretty good there. see one hanging, so I'm gonna try to pull that back up to the top so everything looks even towards the bottom and natural. Get out the excess water. That's looking really good. So I'm happy with the results. Now I'm just going to sit it to the side so it can dry, and I'm going to show you the actual truss that I purchased. Was this free truss. It's a 14-inch deep wave. This is the packet that is untouched. I hadn't used it or worn this in my hair yet. Just wanted to show you a comparison of this one versus the Detox one that I just did. So this is the hair that has been dried and it's detoxed fully, and the ends don't look too bad, and the wave pattern is still looking good. So now I am going to zoom in so you guys can see a deeper, closer look at it, seeing that there is a little bit of frizz there. And in the next video I'll show you actually what product I use to kind of minimize that and try to get this hair looking as best as it can. So now I'm going to show you in comparison to straight out the package what it looks like. On your right is the brand new pack, on the left is what's been detoxed, and they're very close. As far as the shine value, of course the new is going to look much shinier because of the fact that it's coming straight from the packaging. But I think as far as reusing this hair for another ponytail, I'm good. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of our new and latest videos. You can always follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter at #PivotalHair.